you're unbalanced.
It's A for David's an asshole.
Hey, I think I was calling you.
I think she look good.
I fell. Oh crap. Okay. No broken boat. That's good.
You are so bad at this game.
That's why I never tried skiing on a jump. I mean, I did ski on a big slope, but I never.
I think you messed up both times.
I don't care. I'm trying it again. Kick your ass.
What was that?
I'll kick your ass.
Alright.
Very Daryl.
Actually, don't jump on the leadboard, dude. Follow directions. This guy can't follow directions.
It's gonna screw me up. I swear.